Want to learn how to turn a raw 3D print into a screen ready prop? This Mandalorian and Grogu Stormtrooper helmet is the perfect example, and honestly it was such a quick and simple build. I'm breaking down the entire process, from the initial print through the easy sanding and priming stages all the way to the final paint and lens installation. As you can see, I'm working my way through a range of sanding grits. We kick off with the 80 grit to remove material, advance to the 180 and finalise the prep with 320 grit. I'm using my airgun compressor to lay down a smooth, even base coat to lock everything in. This air compressor gun creates a perfectly atomised mist for flawless coverage. A nice even coat here sets us up perfectly for paint.
Right, the prime's had time to cure, so we'll just give it a quick sand. I'm going to go with 2000 and a 3000. I want a fairly decent gloss on this one. So I just use a bit of water. Off we go. Well, it's not bad. It feels quite good. I can't see any imperfections there. Go down to the 3000. Now it's time to paint. I'm going to use an acrylic lacquer. It's a white with also an acrylic thinner. I'm going to go 1:1 in this ratio. So the consistency I'm going to go is 100 ml of each. And for those of you that see my other videos, you know that I mix my ratio with an airbrush. 1.4mm easel is what I use. I find that to be optimized for the mist that I'm after. The ideal pressure to spray between 25 and 30 psi. That's the gun I'll be using. So now I'm going to apply a grey paint from Vallejo, and it's an acrylic polyurethane. So this is going to be grey, and I'm going to put the black accents with the chrome accents on top of it, and then we'll go ahead and we'll apply the magnets. Due to the design of the mask, obviously you can see why it's magnets, because you can't fit that on underneath your chin. But it's a nice print, good, simple, effective design with the magnets as well. So when going to airbrush, definitely apply your thinners in here before the paint, because sometimes when you put the paint in, it clogs the needle straight away. So you want to have that thinners flowing through, mixed in, before you put the paint straight in. The PSI that I'm going to be applying it on is about 15, not very strong. And we just want to have that nice, even spray on it. So let's get it. we come to fit the magnets. These are a 8x2. So I've dremeled out this to the edges, and so they'll go in like so, but obviously you'll put glue in to hold them in, and then corresponding to the other side, which will go in, so obviously they'll come in like so. There we go. Let's get these glued in. I can actually feel the magnet wanting to pop out and go to the one down here. Surprisingly, they're quite strong for a little magnet. Alright, so for these accents which go into the helmet here, I've just added a little bit of rubber buff. Sorry I didn't show this beforehand, I thought I had it recording. But I originally applied it, just a very small, minute, onto the cloth. I rubbed it in, and it's come up quite well, a bit of a good chrome effect. And obviously these were pre-painted beforehand, but this here is a raw filament with nothing on there, and I've still got a little bit left on here, so you can see it goes on quite well even without a painted surface, and it gives quite a good finished look. And just a very little bit of rub and buff goes a long way. It's a paste, and it has quite a good finish on it. So yeah, it's a different alternative to paint, and it has quite a good natural, robust look to that. So it's not bad. Obviously with the painted area there, you can see it's got a little bit more of a sheen, a little bit more of a gloss to it, where this is very matte with no paint. Quite like that actually. And just use some normal super glue. I've got a little bit of green tint here. I'm going to need a very small bit. And I'm going to try and attempt to put a bit of a green lens over this. So how this is going to work is I'm going to pull the film, the protective lens, off the welder shield, which is this one, and then apply the green tint on top with the water and a squeegee. We could be here forever. glue the lenses in. Well, that brings us to the end of our quick build for the Snowtrooper out of Grogu and the Mandalorian. The detachable face with a magnet. Actually, I haven't tested it. Let's have a look. I hope the size fits. There we go. Very good.
Seeing this whole project come together so fast is exactly why I love 3D printing. If you want to see more quick builds like the Mandalorian Grogu Trooper, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, happy printing, and bye for now.